Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar. Today I am going to start the chapter 11 rounding numbers. This is the first part of this chapter's rounding numbers. In this video we will discuss about the exercise 51 which is based on the rounding numbers. Now here is question number 1 to 12 in this exercise, and one by one I will explain these type of the questions. Now, first question is round off each of the following numbers to the nearest 10. How can we write the nearest numbers? That here is the nearest 10. First question is here 81. How can we write? Now, the question is nearest 10. First of all, we will see the tens digit of this numbers 81. Here we see 8 is the tens place digit. 8 is the tens place digit. See here, 8 is the 10 place digit. Okay, here is the 10 place, 10 place digit, 10 plus digit. After that, we will see the next numbers to the right side of this 10 place. Here is the 1. If the next number is less than 5, if the next number is less than 5, then we will write 8 as it is and insert the 10 after the number of digits after the 8. Here is the 1 digit, so we will write 10 is here. So now number is the rounded number is 80. And now here is another question, 208979. The question is to write the rounding numbers nearest to the 10 to see the tens place digit. So here is the tens place digit. Which number is? Here is the 7. 7 is the tens place digit. Here is the 10 place digit. See the next numbers, which is next. See the next numbers of 7. Here we see 9 is the next number of 7. If the next number is greater than 5, if the next number is greater than 5, then greater than 4, then we write, then we add 1 to the this 10 split digit. Here is the 7. When we add 1 to this 7, we get the 8 and write 1 zeros after that, because here is 1 digit after this 10 split digit. Okay, now in this way the rounded numbers will be 208980. It means 2,08,980. So in this way we can write the nearest 10 digit numbers. In the same way we can write the nearest hundreds, nearest thousand, and so on. Now see the next questions. Question number 2. The question number 2 is round off each of the following numbers to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. See the first examples. 415. First of all, we will consider the 100 place. Now, which number is 100 place is here? Yes, 4. Ones, tens, and 100. 4 is the 100 place digit. See the next numbers. See the next digit. Here is we see the next digit after the 100 place is 1. 1 is lesser than 5. So we will write 4 as it is and insert the 2 zeros after it, because there is 2 digit after the 100 place, 1 and 2. Then we will write 2 zeros. Okay. So then rules is here. What is the rule? Rule is here, if the numbers after the 100 place is lesser than 5, then we will write 4 as it is. That means the nearest 100. Now write zeros after 2 zeros after it. Now here is the 163909, 16309, 16309. So see the 100 place digit, see the 100 place digit, see the 100 place digit, here is the 3. Now see the next number, next numbers is the 0, which is lesser than the 4. So we will write 3 as it is and write 2 zeros after it. So answer will be 1630000. And in the same way we can solve the question number 2. See the 100 place digit 6, the numbers, the digit after 6 is 7, which is greater than 4, which is greater than 4. So we will add 1 to this 6. It means to the 100 place digit. So when we add 1 to this, we get the 7 and write two zeros after it. Here is the two zeros after it. The answer will be 218700. And boys, in the same way, we can write the number nearest thousand. To write the rounded numbers nearest thousand, we see the we will see the thousand digits, thousand place digit, ones, tens, hundred, and the thousands. Six is the thousand place digit. And now see the next digit. Next digit is a 3, which is lesser than, once again this is lesser than 5. So we will write 6 as it is and write how many zeros. Count the digit after this 6, that is the after thousand place. 1, 2, and the 3. So we will write 3 zeros after it. Okay. So in this way we can solve the another type of the questions. So the rules will be same for all the rounding numbers. If you want to write the nearest thousand, nearest hundred, nearest 10,000, nearest crore, nearest lakh, and so on. So, boys, in the next question, here is the nearest lakh. How can be nearest lakh? Count these numbers: uh, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and the lakh. Here is the one. One is the lakh place digit. Now, see the next digit. Next digit is the 3, which is lesser than 5. So we will write 1 as it is and write how many zeros? Count the digit after the 1. That is after the lakh digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. And write 5 zeros after 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. And here is the another questions. Once again, see the nearest lakh, see the lakh place digit, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000, and the lakh. Here is the 0. Here is the 0. So we will write 0 as it is a 1. And now because here is the 5, which is greater than the 4, so we will write 0 plus 1. It means it makes a 1. And now count the number of digit 1, 2, 3, and the 4. So we will write the 4 digit after it: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, understood, guys? So in this way we can solve the all the type of the questions. Now here is the 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Uh, Now, boys, here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and the lakh. One, it makes the one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, right is the 5 zeros. Okay. Now, see the next question. Question nearest 10 lakh. So, in the same way, we can solve the question nearest 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and the lakh. Here we see the 9 is the 10 lakh place digit. 10 lakh plus digit. See the next numbers. Next number is uh, 9. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, and the 10. And here is the 9 is the next number. So which is greater than 4. Which is greater than 4. Then we will add 1 to this one. And it means in lakh, 10 lakh plus digit, it makes the 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And now count the number of the digit after this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. Now insert the 5, 6 zeros after 2. Okay. So in the same way we can solve the question number 6E and 6H. Now here is the question number uh, next 7 is a crore. Crore. How can we solve this crore? So count the crore place digit in the same way: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and the crore. Here is the 6. 6 is the 10 crore place digit. Now see the next digit after this crore place digit. Here we see this is the 2. A 2 is lesser than 5. So we will write 6 as it is and count the number of the digit after this 6 with the same way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. Write the 7 digit after it. Okay. So in this way we can solve the question number 7A, 7C, and the 7F. Understood, guys? Now see the question number 8. Fill in the blanks on rounding of this number to the nearest 10. So in this question, we can solve the questions in the previous way. Now here we see the 10 place digit. 10 place digit is the 0. So 10 place digit is the 0. And see the next digit after this 0. is the next digit after this 0, we will write is here. So it makes the 0 is here, so it makes the 0. Okay, so 1 and 8 or is it makes the 0. Okay, understood boys? Now the population of Indian state is something, write the population to the nearest crore. So nearest crore was tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and the crore. 10 lakh and the crore. So in this way we can solve to the nearest crore. So we will see ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and so on. Then we can write in this way. Okay. Thank you. Or in this way we can. Here is another type of the question. Question number 10. Think on the rounding to the nearest 10. What numbers could be rounded to? So here is the 70s. So 70s numbers could be rounded to the nearest 10. To write this purpose, 65, 66, 67, and here is the 74. Then we can, this is the rounding numbers around the 70. Okay. So now we can solve the another type of the questions. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand this type of the questions. In the next video, we will discuss about the subtraction of the capacity rounding numbers. Thank you.